To delete your card account, you need to access your account settings and use the account deletion option provided by Card. This process permanently removes your account and may also affect any websites, settings, and information associated with that account, so it is important to review everything carefully before proceeding. Start by logging into your Card account. Once you reach the dashboard, locate your account or profile menu. This is typically where Card stores personal account preferences, billing information, and account management options. Click the Account menu and select Account Settings. This will open the page containing information related to your Card profile, subscription details, and account controls. Once inside Account Settings, scroll through the available options until you reach the bottom section of the page. Card places account management actions in this area, including options related to account closure. Look for the Delete Account section. This area contains the controls used to permanently remove your Card account from the platform. Before continuing, carefully read any warning messages displayed on the screen. These notices are important because account deletion is generally a permanent action. Depending on your account status, deleting the account may remove access to your websites, stored settings, customizations, and other account-related information. If you're using any active websites, custom domains, or paid services, consider reviewing those resources before continuing. You may want to save important content, transfer ownership of sites, or download any information you wish to keep. Once you are certain that you want to proceed, Card may ask you to verify the action. This can include entering your password again or completing another confirmation step designed to prevent accidental account deletion. After completing the verification process, click the Delete Account button. Card may display a final confirmation prompt, asking you to verify your decision one last time. Review the confirmation message carefully and make sure you understand the consequences of permanently removing your account. If you are ready to continue, confirm the action. After the deletion request is processed, your Card account will be scheduled for removal according to Card's account management policies. You may lose access to your dashboard, websites, and account-related features once the process is completed. Because account deletion is permanent, it is recommended to double-check that you no longer need any of the websites, content, or settings associated with the account before confirming. And that's how you delete a Card account. Open Account Settings, locate the Delete Account section, review the warnings, complete the required confirmations, and submit the request to permanently close your account.